Alright, before I get to the music, this this house here has a Benz parked in front of it every day, which is trippy. Anywho, let's hit play. The only thing I got that shakes is this visor, so I'm gonna just keep that down. Hit play. Got the slowed up Gucci Man Coca-Cola. Let's hit. Alright. Y'all hit subscribe. I'm going to show y'all the ins and outs of this thing. How I built it, what it is, what it do. For what I can show you through the camera. But thank y'all for watching. Keep basing it out there. And don't forget to subscribe. This is only part 2. I'm going to show y'all everything about this thing.